Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a requested video on how to make a 3-way 4x4 closure, and I'm also going to be answering a question on what pattern I used on ventilating. So I use horizontal, vertical and slanted lines, so I'm going to be showing you all that. And if you're new, please kindly subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, let's get into the tutorial and watch to the end. So I'm going to be using this Swiss lace, and I've already cut a small portion that I want to use, and I'm going to measure 4 by 4 inches. So right there I'm measuring 4.5 because I want to leave a space at the back. So at the end of the day I'm going to ventilate only on 4 by 4 inches. So right there I'm also going to mark 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, because I'm going to ventilate in 4 sections. That way I will achieve my 3-way parting. So right there I'm just going to cut off the weft of the weave that I'm going to use in ventilation right there, and pick out the little hairs. And I used 35 inches of hair, so you can just measure 35 inches of hair and you'll be able to achieve the same closure as this one. So right there I've already ventilated 1 inch, about 4 by 1 inch. Right there I was picking 2 strands of hair and skipping 1 wall. So guys, I'm going to show you how I achieved this. So right here I'm ventilating horizontally, ventilating from one side to the other, picking 2 strands of hair and skipping 1 hole. I'm not skipping lines, I'm ventilating on every line. So I'm just going to continue ventilating. This is 1 inch going all the way to the hairline. So just continue picking 2 strands of hair, skipping 1 hole up until you reach the hairline, and make sure you skip 1 line that we're going to use for our parting. So skip 1 line, then ventilate going to the other side. That 1 line is going to be our parting, and it will make our closure show that 3-way illusion. So you have to skip 1 line. And guys, before skipping 1 line, make sure that you ventilate at least 1 inch for the hair that will cover the back. So 1 inch for the hair that will cover the back, and the other remaining 3 inches is for our parting.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So I'm done with the hair that will cover the back. I'm going to leave 1 straight line that I'm going to skip and ventilate on the following line, and continue ventilating, picking 2 strands of hair and skipping 1 wall up until I finish this 1 by 4 inches, and then I will do the other section. So we're going to have 4 sections, and that way we'll have our 3-way parting. So just continue ventilating, picking 2 strands of hair and skipping 1 hole. Yeah.
Way too long. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see.
Guys, as you can see right there, the 1 line that we skipped is starting to show that parting, is starting to show that 1 straight line, and when I finish there right here, ventilating right here, it will show a really straight line. So you have to skip only 1 line. Don't skip 2, the gap will be too much. Just skip only 1 line, and make sure that when you place your Swiss lace before ventilating, your lines are going vertically from the back to the front, back to the front, so that way it will be easy for you to have this illusion. It will be easy for you to ventilate, and it will be easy for you to skip 1 line that will use for your parting. So make sure your lines are going vertically before you start ventilating. Make sure your lines on your Swiss lace, if you look closely, there are lines, and make sure they are going vertically, not horizontal.
Safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could.
So guys, I'm done with this section and this is how it's looking like this. So I'm just going to braid it off camera, then we can go on to the next. And this is slanted way. This is how you ventilate on a slanted way. So I'm just picking 2 strands of hair and skipping 1 hole. The thing is, even if you ventilate the vertical way, the horizontal way, the slanted way, if you look closely on your closure, you find all these lines. The result is just the same. It just depends with what kind of pattern you prefer. You know, sometimes ventilating a closure is too much work, and sometimes you change pattern so that it won't be boring. So sometimes you ventilate vertically, sometimes horizontally, sometimes slanted. It just depends with your mood. Yeah. Ventilating one way throughout the closure, it's sometimes kind of boring, so you need to change ways so that it will be fun. You enjoy ventilating. If you're tired with one way, you do the other. So right here, also skip 1 line for your parting and ventilate, and just continue picking 2 strands of hair and ventilate. Make sure you skip 1 row, and ventilate on a slanted way. So just like that. So guys, do let me know what kind of pattern you prefer ventilating. Some people prefer ventilating the horizontal way, the vertical way, the slanted way. Just let me know which kind of pattern you enjoy. But at the end of the day, the thing that differentiates the closures is the kind of spacing you do. So the pattern doesn't really matter. The spacing you do is what make the closures different. So if you skip lines, your closure won't be this full, and if you ventilate on all the lines, it will be this full. So if you want a more full closure, especially if you're doing closures for wigs, hair wigs, you can ventilate on all the lines. And if you're doing for braided wigs, you can skip lines. Yeah, so right here I'm ventilating the vertical way, going from the back all the way to the front for ventilating on those straight lines from the back to the front. Continue picking 2 strands of hair, skipping 1 row, and make sure you skip 1 line for our third parting. So right there, I'm just continued ventilating, going all the way to the front. As for me, I enjoy ventilating the horizontal way. Yeah, going from the back, ventilating side to side, up until I reached the front. This vertical way is kind of boring for me. So sometimes I mix, sometimes I just do the horizontal way. So do let me know what kind of way you enjoy in the comment section. And if you're new, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, and thank you so much for the support you've been giving me, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everything. So just continue ventilating. Yeah, and this is 1 line that I ventilated right here. This is how it's looking. So I'm just continuing to ventilating, picking 2 strands of hair, going from the back all the way to the front, ventilating vertically like that.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. talk on the phone every night.
So guys, right there, I'm done with the last section. So this is how it's looking. Guys, do let me know what you think about this. Do let me know if you like it. Do let me know if you have something that I should change. And guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And please like and comment and share to your friends. And thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know.